Hey there! Welcome to another video where we dive into the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're going to tackle a problem that may have you scratching your head. The issue at hand revolves around conflicting information regarding the behavior of the ZF flag in a certain processor instruction. Isn't it interesting how discrepancies like this can pop up and cause confusion? Let's get to the bottom of this problem together. In seeking a solution to this intriguing problem, we consulted the official documentation from Intel, which clearly states that the ZF flag is set based on the comparison result in the processor instruction in question. This behavior has been consistent since the introduction of the instruction in the 80486 processor. It seems like there might have been a mix-up in the information presented in the book by Ranel Hyde and possibly a bug in DOSBox. So, it turns out that the ZF flag is not the only one affected after all, contrary to what was previously mentioned. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the solution provided. It appears that the discrepancy in information might stem from confusion between different versions of the processor instruction. While CMPXCHG-AB and CMPXCHG-16B only affect the ZF flag, CMPXCHG, starting from the 80486 processor, sets flags according to the comparison results. This distinction between the instructions could explain the conflicting details presented in the sources we mentioned earlier. And there you have it, a clearer understanding of the behavior of these processor instructions. In conclusion, we've unraveled the mystery surrounding the behavior of the ZF flag in a particular processor instruction. It seems there was some misinformation along the way, but now you're equipped with the correct details. Thank you for tuning into this video. And if you enjoyed our tech talk, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, in the world of technology, every detail counts. See you next time.